Air pollution. Air pollution is any atmospheric condition in which presence of certain substances beyond certain concentration produce harmful effects on man and his environment. Air pollutants can be divided into two categories: primary, secondary. Primary pollutants. These are emitted directly from the source. Example, particulate matter such as ash, smoke, dust, fumes, etc. Inorganic gases such as sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, radioactive substances. Secondary pollutants. These are formed in the atmosphere by chemical interactions among primary pollutants. Example, ozone, sulfur trioxide, etc. Effects of air pollution are immense. Smog. Smog refers to the combination of smoke and fog that accumulates over metros as yellowish-brown mist. Acid rain. When rain falls through polluted air, it dissolves oxides of sulfur, nitrogen, mists of hydrochloric acid, phosphoric acid, etc. Its pH range now becomes between 5.6 and 3.5. Acid precipitation kills many species of aquatic animals, damages buildings, affects plant growth, etc. Ozone depletion and ozone hole. The stratosphere at a height of 10 to 45 kilometers contains ozone. It is an ultraviolet absorbent that shields the Earth from the effects of UV radiation. However, this shield is endangered as a result of release of chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, from refrigerators and aerosols. Excessive exposure to UV radiations can cause cataracts, skin cancer, and weakened immunity. Greenhouse effect and global warming. Atmosphere around the Earth acts like a glass of the greenhouse chamber, providing a temperature for good growth of vegetation. But with an increase of the greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane, the temperature rise has led to a phenomenon called global warming. This excessive heating is because the large wavelength infrared rays radiated by the Earth are not allowed to go out into space. Chlorofluorocarbons, oxides of nitrogen, and water vapor also escalate the greenhouse effect. Global warming threatens to melt polar ice caps, causing a rise in sea levels, flooding low-lying coastal areas. Health hazards. Particulate matter of lead, cadmium, mercury, etc. have a telling effect on the normal functioning of body. Have a look. Air pollution can be controlled either at the source or at the dispersal stage. The approach emphasizes the use of appropriate raw materials, selection of proper sites for industrial units, use of modern techniques for efficient reduction of emissions and effluents, alternate power sources, developing individual sensitivity. Above all, spread awareness.